In this video, we're going to talk about EVERIPEDIA once again. It hit the daily gainer list June 10th, 2021. Shout out to Crypto Crunch app for putting this information out there today. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Now check this out right here. Daily gainer list. You see EVERIPEDIA is climbing up the charts. Look at the market cap is growing. The current price is growing. The price change is growing. And the price change of 24-hour and 7-day is increasing. And if you look at the price right now, we're up 10% at this moment. Don't sleep on EVERIPEDIA. This is definitely not a hype video. I get really excited about some of these projects. It's because a lot of them, that the videos that I do, they're so undervalued, and I love the fact that they're getting some love. So check this out. Look at this. EVERIPEDIA is doing its thing right now. Look at this. EVERIPEDIA, the major exchange is on Bitfinex. So I do not really know much about that exchange there, but I'm going to do my research on that. But I know you can get EVERIPEDIA on crypto.com. That's what I got it from. I got EVERIPEDIA on crypto.com. It was really easy to do, but they also have it on other exchanges as well. So this is it right here. It's climbing up on the charts. Now we're looking at the price is at 1 cent and it's knocking at the door at 2 cents. So it'll be at 2 cents at some point by next week. So we'll see what happens on the price as well. I love the total supply on this because basically 10 billion total supply. I'll usually go back to one that is got the same total supply, and that is Polygon-matic, and that is at $1.38. Now here's the thing, people are sleeping on EVERIPEDIA. They are. I'm not saying it's going to hit $1.38, but I do feel like it can get to $1. I feel like it can get close to $1. I just believe that between 50 cents and $1 is my price prediction of EVERIPEDIA, because positive news keeps coming out just like this right here. To celebrate the launch of the Binance NFT marketplace this June, Binance created the 100 Creator Program to spotlight local talent from around the world. Now, this was all with EVERIPEDIA once again. EVERIPEDIA, check this out right here. You got information out here that EVERIPEDIA tweeted out about the artist and the information by this. So this is kind of the things that I'm talking about. EVERIPEDIA is all about the information. The Wicca encyclopedia for everything, everyone, and everywhere. My favorite thing I like about this is, about EVERIPEDIA, that's what I like about it is because it's bringing real world data and knowledge to the blockchain. So it's basically bringing the information that you basically need. Every type of project, they have a mission statement. They have what they stand for, the technology, the vision. Their vision is helping verify facts in era of misinformation and unlocking a new class of use cases in the financial markets. So this is what I like about it. I do like Wikipedia and encyclopedia. I remember having encyclopedias in my house growing up. It was about 30 volumes. It was on the shelf. I never read any of them. Only when I got in trouble, then I had to read them. And it was packed with information. Imagine a volume of information of encyclopedias being into the blockchain of EVERIPEDIA. Absolutely correct. Now check this out. They're growing. They're actually Twitter following 118,000. So it's growing each and every single time. So they're active on Twitter. They do the daily gainers list and other information as well. Now let's go back to the price, which basically may be why you're watching this. I project, in terms of my price prediction of this project, it's between 50 cents and $1 at this point. That is my price prediction. It's only sitting at 1 cent. Think about this, 1 cent. And if you combine this to Polygon-matic, when Polygon-matic, let's go ahead and check this out, do a little bit of a history, price history. So if I do Polygon-matic, it was sitting at 1 cent at, let's see, it was sitting at 1 cent in January. And then right now on the month of June, it's $1. But we can check it and see when it hit at least 50 cents. Remember, I projected between 50 cents and $1. So that means that it only took a couple of months for it to get to a 50 cents, at least 60 cents, and then it got to $1 the next month later. So my thing is June right now, it's 1 cent. If you compare it to the type of, run up that Polygon-matic did, that means that probably by December of this year in this bull run, EVERIPEDIA can get to at least 50 cents by the end of this year. It is quite possible. I know the all-time high is about, 6 cents? But see, that was back in 2018 when infant stages, when it first was starting out. A lot's happened since then. A lot of development, a lot of the technology has definitely been created with it. And so I really feel like this has an opportunity to make some noise. That's just my opinion, because it's the Wikipedia information of everything, everyone, and everywhere. So that's what I feel. EVERIPEDIA offers a space for you to dive into anything you find interesting on the blockchain. So my price prediction is going to be around between 50 cents and $1, unless there's more information that comes out that changes my mind. And I like what it stands for. I mean, I like it. Continue this. When I see stuff like this, it makes me think that, hold on. This thing is 1 cent. Look at this, 1 cent. And it has a market cap that's growing. Look at this. And it's got a low max supply. It's so underrated, so undervalued. And people are not even seeing this. They're going to see this later on. What's going to happen, they're going to see this when the price is probably 20, 30, 40 cents, which is still not a bad buy, to be honest with you. But you're not going to see 1 cent and 2 cents in the next couple of weeks. Probably not. This may be the last month. This month, maybe the last month you see it at 1 cent. This month, maybe next month, maybe, because there's going to be a correction as well. But I'm predicting, my price prediction, not financial advice, between 50 cents and $1. So that's the information I have for you. Thank you for watching this video, because this is the place to be to grow your brand and grow your bank account. I'm Adam Shelton. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Click on the link below in the description box. I do have information down there that's more about Wikipedia. Well, encyclopedia. No, it's EVERIPEDIA. Yes. And I'll see you on the next video.